Unveiling the Mystery. Not for polite ears. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we've got a rather intriguing topic to explore. The phrase, not for polite ears. This phrase is a colorful part of the English language, and understanding it can give you insight into the nuances of English communication. So, if you're ready to learn something new and interesting, let's jump right in. Not for polite ears is a phrase that's as intriguing as it sounds. At its core, this phrase is used to indicate that something is not suitable or appropriate to be heard or discussed in polite company. This could be due to the content being considered offensive, rude, too personal, or even taboo. The phrase carries a warning or a heads-up that what's about to be said or what has been said is potentially shocking or inappropriate for some audiences. It's a way of safeguarding the listener's comfort and maintaining a certain level of decorum in conversation. You might be wondering, when is it appropriate to use this phrase? Well, not for polite ears is typically used in situations where discretion is advised. For example, if you're about to share a joke or a story that contains adult themes, you might preface it with this phrase to warn those around you. It's also used to signal that the upcoming information requires a certain level of maturity or open-mindedness to be appropriately received. This doesn't necessarily mean the content is always explicit. It might just be too candid or controversial for some settings. Here's a tip: use this phrase judiciously. Knowing your audience is key. If you're in a professional setting or among people you're not familiar with, it's best to avoid content that could warrant this warning altogether. Understanding "not for polite ears" also means grasping a bit about English-speaking culture's attitudes towards politeness and appropriateness. This phrase reflects the value placed on respecting others' sensibilities and maintaining a certain level of social grace. It's interesting to note how this phrase embodies the balance between freedom of speech and social etiquette. It acknowledges that while one may have the right to speak freely, there's also a responsibility to consider the impact of one's words on others. In wrapping up, the phrase, "not for polite ears," offers a fascinating glimpse into the interplay between language, culture, and social norms. It serves as a reminder that communication is not just about what is said but also how, when, and to whom it is said. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also enriched your understanding of the subtleties of English communication. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the depths of the English language.